Hello guys, I am T-REX and you are watching IMBASKILL Art of War 3. I am with Warbird Jr. and my opponents are Contract and Seroga. So let's start the battle.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now.
They are
She
both
hates me now.
rank
I made
campers
mistakes, but
and
now I
have
don't ever wanna be
max
alone. I
skills
don't really
plus
ever feel at home.
upgrade.
On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I go, let the
Place
doubt creep in.
plant,
Gotta pop a couple
2
more
supplies,
aspirin.
2
I don't
barracks
think I'll
and
ever let you in. Easier to break it off
command
best
for
friends. I don't
2
really understand
salts.
myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
Let's fast forward. And my partner take advantage of this map and place a yard here so he can place torpedoes and block seaways leads toward my base. Here Junior is scouting. Warbird is trying to be annoying all the time. So here Warbird is scouting the base and this is going to be level 2 soon.
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now.
Mine's
I won't
Imba.
ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now.
This is very
I just
annoying
wanna be the best,
strategy.
call me great now. I don't know if I'm
I
okay
hate
or
this.
insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I could find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what
I tell
is
my
right.
partner
I'ma pick a
to
side,
give
I'ma
me
take
a
pride. I
delta
will decide my fate and die. Will never
for
let them tell
scout,
me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be
and
damned. Landing on the
I'm
ground is where I
adding
stand.
one
Never
more
give up, that was always the
shipyard
plan.
here.
So cold outside, I'm alone,
See this.
I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
He is helping me to lay out the mines. Imba. I am making a vertex so I can give my partner a scout both bases, so then we can fast forward our strategy. Either we go Viking or we go land units, Zeus, Typhoon. They rush alligators. Here Warbird Jr. at a shipyard. To delay the alligators, I told him to place shipyard here. See the scout. No chameleon, just 2 alligators. Let's scout my base. Good scout. Now I add some typhoons in the mix, so we can go for anti-air. See, Warbird Jr. is producing Poseidon to give me anti-air. Here Hawks is trying to be annoying. Some usual things. Again scout. Oh fuck. They have almost about 15 to 18 alligators, I think so, and we have only few, but we have backup in the shape of torpedoes. So here you can see our attack, but they almost have max mines. Failed attack. He have strong air. Let's for fast forward. I'm going level 5. He lay mines here, so I move here to attack there. But I see some units here. Very bad. Bad move. Junior's torpedo plus rocket tower is max, and now I am attacking, marching towards yellow's base. I gave much damage, so my partner will try for force or for space. They want to destroy alligators as much as possible. Oh shit. Now I have one super Viking. Level 3, he is going for albatross. Oh shit. Done. Well. He killed my 2 to 3 vertex and I do the same. Here he had 1 million in the mix, so my partner is going for air assault. Oh sorry, fire assault. Now I'm going for scout. He is going for air. Now we switch his tactics from alligators to chameleon and air. Where is the scout? But one more thing, I feel yellow's building is not max, but red's alligator is so imba, I can't make it good. So imba. Here you can see one jaguar, 2 jaguars, and some assaults. Rifleman, sorry. He killed almost our fleet. Now I am producing more Vikings, so if they attack our base, we will defend. We are trying to kill most of the alligators, but we failed. Red have almost 10 to 15 alligators. Now they will try to attack our base. Warbird Junior align a torpedo fleet here. I am giving scout there. Red is only going for alligators and yellow is now going for air, as you see. Killed. Here I need some CP. I know there is mines, but I need CP for space. Epic. Epic one. Here is almost 25 alligators. But gladly would find good. We have max torpedoes. In backup, Warbird is placing 3 more. But I think we can make it.
What we do here is go back.
He is rushing alligators, but failed. Here is my space. Now he add one more here. We get one here. Again one more alligator. He scouted my space. Fuck. His air is so fast. Oh, lol. Only 2 thoughts and space gone. Here is my defenses. Few Vikings blocked there. Now my space is destroyed. I delayed just 1 second and my total income will be wasted. Oh god. Now I am telling my partner to kill his chameleon for further chameleon attacks. Now he is attacking on differently on air as he destroy my base space. I make one more space. One more scout is coming to scout my space. There is few chameleons. Small unit caravan, but I place few we got company from yellow and red. Both are attacking on one base. The poor strategy. What few resistance players use. I got some backup from Vikings as well. And now they got destroyed. Gladly I am defending my base. Good defense here. Now I am scouting there for further strategy. Now Warbird Junior is ready for attack. See this space. I'm going for scout. Both have units in one base, so they can attack on me. I ask my partner to help me, and he is sending some units. Imba Viking Imba. Viking Imba. The one advantage I have, I can kill jags in millions in fog. Warbird Junior is selling some sport, and there is my torrent. Imba torrent. Lol. Now one more space here, and I attack there. Yellow have 5 hawks. I try some dogfight, but in C we have almost 4 to 5 alligators. They destroy my vortex. Thor. Now I am telling my partner to charge. One more space here, so we can march towards the yellow's base. And our activity is 32 and enemy's activity is 31. We are winning, bro. Just attack. There is 2 mines there. My focus is on C. I neglect this area and my few units got destroyed. No problem. Naval attack board. And now you see the predator of alligators. Viking. They have doubled in number. But don't worry, we have some torpedoes here to defend both bases. Ooh. Thor. Shit. Air. Don't. Again. Huge fleet of alligators marching towards Junior's base. Good defense, bro. Good defense. You Imba. Here you can see some hawks attacking on space. Dogfight. Catch. Catch them. Yeah. Yes. Now our activity is 39. Good. And now I am fast forwarding it, so we can finish fast. I need some CP. I am making assaults, so my activity will be increased, and they are doing the same. See? Junior is attacking on their production. Good. now our activity is 42 and there is 27 who are winning. Max and Leo. So guys, this is my first English commentary. Support me and thanks for watching.